joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you another simple and delicious recipe, and that is Chicken Karahi. Chicken Karahi is an Indian, Afghan, Pakistani dish which is very delicious, and it's made with chicken, of course, and some vegetables. But today I'm going to show you my version of Chicken Karahi, and it is very simple and very easy to follow. So please continue to watch, and I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious dish. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here's our chicken karahi. It looks really good. It looks fabulous. Smells awesome, and it was very easy to make, as you saw. I'm going to taste some and let you know. I love the sauce. and the onions and the mushrooms, and of course the garlic. It tastes really good. The chicken is very tender, very juicy. I love traces of ginger, and I love the whole garlic in this, and it smells awesome, and also it gives a very good flavor. So please try this and see it for yourself, and let me know if you have any comments or any suggestions or any questions about this recipe or any of my recipes. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Love you all.